In Google Drive, select New. This top option is New Folder. Select it. Name your folder. Select Create and open it. Go back to New. Select Google Sheets. This will be our project spreadsheet. Go to Extensions, Slides Create, select Start. Go through all the required authorizations. Go back to Extensions, and let's get started. Do you recall creating that project folder? Let's select that. Let's name our project and select a project type. In this case, elementary. How many pages per 2-page spread? We can always change this later. Let's go with the default. Make sure your spreadsheet is in the folder. Now let's go to main menu.